Good morning, everyone. This morning I'm making coconut. I'm gonna make coconut rundown. I'm cutting up my coconut, as you can see, as small as possible. Then I'm gonna blend it, and then I'm gonna use my salt mackerel, and I'm gonna make a very delicious lunch with salt mackerel and coconut milk. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. We're here this morning. We're going to do some rundown with coconut milk, and Michaela is here to help me. And Michaela loves to eat the coconut. It's very healthy for you.
And drink it.
And drink the coconut jelly, right, Michaela?
Yes.
Yes. So we're gonna blend right now.
3, 2, 1. So my mom is going to pour my mom is going to pour in the coconut so we can make the meal.
Hello, I told you that we are cooking, and I'm teaching Michaela to cook, and we are cooking a Jamaican dish or a Caribbean dish, which is made up of whole coconut. You grated the coconut, and I season it with onion, tomato, pepper, little pepper, and if you look, Michaela, let me show the audience what is going on. This is salt mackerel. I cook it and then I take out the bone, and so this is called rundown. So we are mixing it up now, and we're gonna enjoy with some nice soft banana. If you eat dumpling, you can have dumpling. I don't eat dumpling because I'm watching my figure, but you can have it with dumpling and yam, yellow yam, and it's so good. It's healthy. As you know, coconut oil is good for you. So we boil it down to like a gravy, and you could see the oil, and so we're gonna have a nice meal today. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe and like and hit the notification bell and follow us on Instagram.